Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we all experience from time to time, those nagging body pains. I'm talking about headaches, chest pain, and a sore throat. We're going to break down what your body might be trying to tell you and explore some natural ways to find relief. Of course, remember this video is for educational purposes, and you should always consult a healthcare professional for any persistent or severe symptoms. Now, let's get started. First up, the all-too-common headache. It's one of the top health complaints out there. Ever feel that pressure around your forehead or a dull ache behind your eyes after a long day? You're not alone. Headaches can sneak up on us for so many reasons. Stress is a huge one. When we're tense, our neck and scalp muscles tighten, leading to what's called a tension headache. Another major culprit is dehydration. Our brain is about 75% water, so when we don't drink enough, it can literally shrink, pulling away from the skull and causing pain. Lack of sleep is another big factor. When you don't get enough rest, your body can't repair itself properly, and your threshold for pain gets lower. And let's not forget our modern enemy, excessive screen time. Staring at a computer or phone for hours strains our eyes and tenses our neck muscles, leading to that familiar headache. Even your posture plays a role. Slouching over a desk puts pressure on your neck and upper back, which can easily trigger a headache. Other signs you might notice are sensitivity to light or sound, making you just want to curl up in a dark, quiet room. So, what can we do about it naturally? The first and simplest tip is to drink enough water throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Sip consistently. Next, manage your screen time. Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This gives your eyes a much-needed break. Also, get up and stretch regularly. To combat stress, try practicing deep breathing exercises or meditation. Even 5 minutes of focused breathing can calm your nervous system and release muscle tension. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is also key. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. And finally, be mindful of your caffeine intake. While a little can sometimes help a headache, too much can actually cause them, especially if you suddenly cut back. Now let's talk about a symptom that can be a bit more alarming: chest pain. It's important to say this up front. If you ever experience sudden, sharp, or spreading chest pain, especially with shortness of breath or dizziness, you need to seek medical help immediately. Don't wait. However, not all chest pain is a sign of a heart problem. There are several other common causes that are much less serious. For instance, muscle strain. If you've been working out, lifting something heavy, or even coughing a lot, you might have strained the muscles in your chest wall, causing pain that gets worse with movement. Another frequent cause is acid reflux or heartburn. This happens when stomach acid flows back into your esophagus, creating a burning sensation right in the middle of your chest, often after eating. Anxiety can also manifest physically as chest pain. During a moment of high stress or a panic attack, you might feel a tightness or pressure in your chest, almost like a weight is on it. And just like with headaches, poor posture can be a factor. Slumping forward for long periods can compress the nerves and muscles in your chest, leading to discomfort. Some common signs that your chest pain might not be heart-related include pain that gets worse when you press on the area, a burning, feeling after a meal, or tightness that comes on during a stressful situation and improves with rest. To manage these types of chest pain naturally, you can start with your diet. Try eating smaller, more frequent meals instead of large ones, which can help prevent acid reflux. It's also a good idea to avoid lying down for at least 2 to 3 hours after eating. If stress is your trigger, practicing stress management techniques is crucial. This could be yoga, deep breathing, or even just going for a walk to clear your head. Pay attention to your posture, especially if you sit at a desk. Sit up straight with your shoulders back to open up your chest. Limiting spicy, fatty, or highly acidic foods can also make a big difference for those with acid reflux. But again, always err on the side of caution. If you have any doubt about the cause of your chest pain, please get it checked out. Moving on to our third common complaint: throat pain. A sore throat is incredibly common, especially during cold and flu season. The most frequent cause is a viral infection, like the common cold. Your body's immune response causes inflammation and swelling in the throat, which results in pain. But it's not always an infection. The air you breathe can play a big part. Dry air, especially in heated or air-conditioned environments, can strip moisture from your throat, leaving it feeling dry, scratchy, and irritated. Acid reflux, which we just discussed, can also cause a sore throat. When stomach acid comes up into the esophagus, it can irritate the delicate lining of your throat, especially at night while you're sleeping. You might wake up with a sore throat and a hoarse voice. Another cause is simply overusing your voice. If you've been yelling at a concert, talking for long periods, or singing your heart out, you can strain the muscles in your vocal cords, leading to hoarseness and pain. Common symptoms are pretty straightforward: a dry or scratchy feeling, pain when you swallow, and sometimes a hoarse voice. For natural relief, warm fluids are your best friend. A cup of herbal tea with honey can be incredibly soothing. The warmth helps relax the throat muscles, and honey has natural antibacterial properties. Gargling with warm salt water is a classic remedy for a reason. It can help reduce swelling and clear away irritants. Dissolve about half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. If you suspect dry air is the problem, using a humidifier in your room, especially at night, can add moisture back into the air and prevent your throat from drying out. And if you've been overusing your voice, the best thing you can do is rest it. Try not to talk or whisper, as whispering can actually strain your vocal cords even more. Lastly, avoid irritants like smoke or polluted air, which can make a sore throat much worse. So we've covered headaches, chest pain, and sore throats. Now, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Many of these recurring pains can be managed or even prevented by adopting some simple lifestyle habits. It all comes down to how we treat our bodies on a daily basis. First, stay physically active. You don't have to run a marathon. Gentle, regular exercise like walking, swimming, or yoga improves circulation, reduces stress, and strengthens your muscles, which can prevent pain from poor posture or tension. Hydration is another non-negotiable. We saw how it impacts headaches, but it's crucial for your entire body. Proper hydration helps lubricate your joints, deliver nutrients to your cells, and keep all your systems running smoothly. Aim for plenty of water throughout the day. Your diet is also a cornerstone of a pain-free life. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, and fatty fish can help reduce overall inflammation in the body, which is often a root cause of pain. Managing stress is not just for your mental health. It's for your physical health too. Chronic stress keeps your body in a constant state of fight or flight, leading to muscle tension, headaches, and even digestive issues. Find what works for you, whether it's mindfulness, hobbies, or spending time in nature. And finally, avoid being sedentary. Our bodies are designed to move. If you have a desk job, make it a point to get up, stretch, and walk around every hour. Set a timer if you have to. These small movements add up and can prevent the stiffness and pain that comes from prolonged sitting. To wrap things up, think of pain as your body's communication system. It's a signal that something is out of balance. Instead of just trying to silence the signal, it's worth taking a moment to listen to what your body might be telling you. Is it asking for more water, more rest, less stress? By listening early and adopting these healthy, natural habits, you can often address the root cause of the problem and prevent it from becoming a long-term issue. These simple adjustments to your daily routine can make a world of difference in how you feel day to day. But most importantly, be your own health advocate. While these natural tips can be incredibly effective for common, mild pains, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If your pain is severe, if it persists for a long time, or if it's accompanied by other worrying symptoms, please see a doctor or a qualified healthcare provider. They can give you an accurate diagnosis and ensure you get the right treatment. Your health is your most valuable asset, so take good care of it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a healthier, happier life. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.